It's New Year's Eve, so we're gonna have New Year's Eve alcoholic shenanigans. But first, trusty condition hangover drink. I cannot tell you if this actually works. Okay, well, somebody else is gonna open it. But anyway, hangover drinks. Let's get shenanigans. Hello. Today I'm going to get my nails done because it's been about a month. But first I have to stop at the convenience store, get some cash, maybe a drink. Sarah was busy, so she couldn't drive me, so I had to ride a taxi for the first time in a while. So, not feeling super great. I don't think I'm really gonna film at the nail salon because I just feel kind of awkward asking, so I will show you after I'm done. What am I gonna ask her? Hello. And hello, Sarah. Hello. Ooh, I'm ugly. I don't have glasses on. Anyway, we're going to, what is this called? The secondhand shop.
Yeah.
A big one. It's like a warehouse or whatever in the middle of nowhere. See if we find anything. Yay! But first, coffee. Yay! Say hi, Hondo.
Hello.
Okay, bye. Coffee, acquired. What did you get?
Caramel latte.
I got a mocha.
And I bought.
What is this called? Ijin Sanghae. Yeah, Ijin Sanghae. It's very cute. Oh, she got some coffee beans. Da-da-da. What did you get, Hondo?
I got some peachy blossom hot tea.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. Yay. There it is. It's very pretty. If for some reason you're in Korea and you ever come to Icheon, you should come here. It's really nice. Yeah.
It's like the best.
Highly,
Most beautiful cafe.
highly recommend. Very beautiful.
Large cafe.
Okay, we're here. It's called Rodemuyok in Konjiam. It's a big ass warehouse, and we're not sure where the hell we're supposed to go in, but we're gonna find out, I guess. I guess you just walk in right there. You know what else I know? They have free snacks. Yeah, and drinks. So, this is it. Rodemuyok. Anyway, this place is huge. You can see. Here's what I got so far. Just a bunch of bottoms. There's not a lot of... All the tops right now are like knit and woolly. Probably because it's winter. But I got these track pants that are pink. And a bunch of skirts that I'm hoping I can figure out how to hem. Because they're kind of like long and I want, you know, cute mini skirts. I did find this sweater that I liked. I think the buttons are really cute. They're hearts. Another skirt. This skirt kind of reminded me of those Chanel pieces. So, pants. I think we're gonna try on and see what they look like. This one I'm probably gonna cut shorter than this one. And Hondo got more plaid shirts. There are a lot of flannels here. You know, I'm still really debating this piece of art. I think it's lovely, to be quite honest. Don't tell me this wouldn't come up in a K-pop music video, because you know it would. There's also free snacks and drinks for while you shop. So, you know, get yourself something. Alright, so we're done. What did we got 6.5 kilos of clothing for 80,000 won. Yay. And now we're gonna go to a different one called Princess
Cinderella.
Or Cinderella Vintage or something like that. Yay. Woo. it's cold. Next we came to Cinderella Vintage, which is also a warehouse, and we're gonna go dig around in there.
Yay!
Yay! Woo! Let's go. Oh, my feet are cold. Okay, let's go.
Vintage?
This is Cinderella Vintage. So far they have a lot more branded stuff. And shoes. And bags. Okay, I got a Kate Spade purse for $10. It was fabulous. There was also Chanel heels I really wanted, but they're one size too small, and Sarah said I couldn't get them. Sarah said no.
There's no need to buy something that doesn't fit.
It fit. Okay. So now, I don't know what we're gonna do. Something. So, it's been like 2 weeks, and I can't remember if I showed you my nails. But here they are. They're a little bit grown out and starting to chip. They're really pretty. But anyway, yeah. So now I'm on the way to Seoul to go see Isabel and just hang out. We can't really do much anyway because everything's closed, but yep, that's the deal, y'all. My hair is not cute. Okay, bye.
For vlogs.
Yeah. Hello.
At least it's like little.
Yeah, so I don't
Sarah
look like a
walks
ridiculous.
around with her like big
Yeah, so I don't look like a crazy person. And Greta. We're in Shincheon. I don't. Where are we going?
Aladdin.
Aladdin. Oh yeah. Excuse the runny nose. Hello. I'm the worst vlogger ever. I got an egg steamer. Let's see. I guess let me wash all of these bits and I'll be back. Okay, welcome back. All of my egg accoutrements have been washed. And I have acquired my eggs. So let me plug this in. I don't think it's gonna reach, first of all. Well, perhaps here. User guide. Oh shit, it's in Korean. Okay. 사용 방법. Ah, okay. Ow! Why is it on? You ever burn yourself? Jesus. Alright, turn that off. Oh shit, what? Does not cool down, clearly. Okay, water. Did that. Okay. You're supposed to like poke a hole in the egg, but I'm really afraid thing that's in the Let's do that, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. I don't know what it means. We're just gonna put this on here and hope for the best. Hello, it's Sarah's birthday. Happy birthday! Woo! Here's Hondo. Hello.
Hello.
I realize that whenever I film, we're only ever going to Suji.
Mm-hmm. I put on my yellow eyeshadow
here.
just for today.
Oh, it's very sparkly. Yes. We have her this headband.
It matches my headband.
Yeah. Oh, anyway, we're only. It really looks like we only ever go to Suji.
I mean,
In terms of actually.
lie.
I mean, we don't go that often. Is what I'm saying.
Oh.
Like it makes it look like. Anyway, we're going to get Elise so we can go celebrate Sarah's birthday.
Boop, boop.
She doesn't know what we're doing.
Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah.
Boop, boop.
These people are crazy. I don't know. Free me. Elise is here.
Hi.
Hello. Here you go.
Over?
Since I have to like talk to them.
Okay. We are going here. Yes.
테일러님은 저 맨 끝에 텐트 드릴 거거든요. 좀 치워야 되니까 한 5분만 기다려주세요. 이게 보이잖아.
Sarah.
Really good. So
Okay, we're here in our tent. Sarah's very excited.
I am very excited. There's soju you can get lit. Do you want duck or
So we're gonna order meat, and they're gonna cook it here. They mostly do samgyeopsal and
Yeah.
duck.
But would you prefer pork belly? Or
This is our tent outside. There's seats. Wave high. This is our tent. This is our bench.
Do you guys want a tour?
This is a trampoline. Oh yes, welcome to my crib. Wait. You gotta go inside and then come out like this. Hi, MTV. Wait, ready? Dunk.
Oh, hey, what's up, MTV? Welcome to my crib. You guys want a tour of my humble abode? Do you guys want to come inside? I'll show you around.
Oh.
So this is where we do the eating, where the magic happens, and we'll cook some food for you guys here in a little bit.
Hey, and that's it. The end.
I love how committed you were to that.
Okay, we got some food. We got veggies. Oh, my favorite, bean sprouts, sausage. There's some shrimps in there. Mushrooms, salad, and banchan. Wrap. Sarah eating some salad,
We did good.
etc.
The lefties on.
The meat came. They got one order of pork belly and two orders of duck and 2 orders of pork belly. There it is. Hopefully you can see, but I can't.
Oh, you see?
Somebody close to the meat has to jala.
Oh.
Yay!
Jala. Throw it back. Like a seagull.
Like a bird. Ando's cutting the meat.
It was really good.
Taste. How was it, Sarah?
10 out of 10.
Review.
It tastes kind of like sausage. It's very smoky.
You guys have
It
to try
really.
the duck.
Oh, if you. Don't mind if I did. Me choking.
Did you try one yet, Ando?
No, not yet.
Live. Try some pork.
Try some live.
You're holding chopsticks.
You can do it. Okay.
It was really smoky.
Good?
Really good.
Yay! And look at our food, everybody.
Damn.
Okay.
So anyway, we finished at the meat place. Everyone's review, please.
10 out of 10. That was perfect. You loved it? Would go again. I loved it. What's the address where we're going now? Oh, sorry.
Review.
10 out of 10. Would eat again.
I think I do not.
What's happening?
She accidentally honked.
Somebody else was honking. I was like, hello?
Just making sure everyone's aware of our departure. The queen is leaving.
To drive it.
So anyway, I didn't eat meat really, but it was a 10 out of 10 vibes
Experience,
and
yeah.
experience. The vibes are immaculate. I would go back.
How are the smells?
Eat some rice. Smelled delicious.
Also immaculate.
I feel like I smell hardcore like meat.
I do too. I wasn't gonna wear this jacket because I was like, I don't want it to smell like meat, and then I did anyways.
It doesn't even matter because I feel like your hair, just like my hair smells like meat.
Smells like meat all the time.
Anyway, so
I should ruin that.
Perfume.
Kokomong Eco Park. I told you.
Weenie Man.
Kokomong. All right, my mask is goofy. We came to this cafe, the November Lounge. We were gonna go to that one, but it's really full and has no parking. So, yeah, let's see.
It's so cute. He's so tired.
go.
Oh, it's a video right now? Recording?
Hello. Welcome to our podcast.
For today's podcast, we're not talking. It's actually a lot of fun.
For foreigners, Taylor eats a bagel.
I got a vanilla latte. I can see the vanilla powder in it, which I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but it's okay. It's in a cute cup. I feel like the furniture makes up for the coffee. If you have
You're
a
paying, and in most cafes, dude, you're paying for the experience, okay? Not the,
exactly.
paying for the vibes. There's a cat.
Where? I have
There we
cat
go.
food.
Experiences.
Hi, cat.
You're paying for the vibes that are immaculate.
I have cat food in my
Views.
bag. I don't have my bag. I left it in the car.
Oh, so like I said, you're paying for the immaculate vibes.
Look, Sarah,
not
there's a
the good
kitty.
coffee.
Kitty cat. He's a mountain kitty. I started carrying around a bag of cat food for stray cats.
Hello. So, Nathaniel said I should record a day in my life. So here's a day in my life. But it's my day off, so it's not a normal day in my life. Anyway, what time is it? 9:51. And today we have room checks. So, I just feels awkward to be in my room while they're checking it, so I'm going to walk to the convenience store to pick up a package and get snacks. Get me some breakfast. And maybe since it's early in the morning, they'll actually have Spam kimchi fried rice kimbap. So, you know, that would be lit. Oh, I gotta go to a far convenience store too. Oh well. Anyway, it's a nice day. It's kind of cold. It's like 30 degrees. My nose is running, per the usual. And my COVID test came back negative. Yay! Also, my mommy is here. Okay. We almost made it to the promised land. AKA GS 25. It's there. I'm trying to zoom. It's over there somewhere. The promised land. Oh, not there. Over there. GS 25. Yay! Okay, empty convenience store. I'm also filming on my camera, mama. Okay, I got Americano, but it's holding up my phone right now. I got some tea. It's warm. I got a vitamin C drink. And Pringles. I also picked up my package. But first I'm gonna drink this. There's also nobody around. That's why I'm not wearing my mask. This is my phone case that I got. I'm very happy. Drink my tea. They didn't have the kimbap I wanted, so. I like this tea. It always comes in the warmer, so it's warm. It's quince. Quince. You know?
Quince?
Yeah. And honey?
Flavor.
It tastes like apple juice. I've been really craving salty snacks. I haven't really had them. I haven't been eating chips until these taste like really salty to me. No, not even that salty. These are less salty than American Pringles. So I came to the subway station for a little bit to pick up Isabel because we're gonna hang out. So the Icheon subway station is not that exciting. There's only one exit. There's one convenience store, and that's it. So, very thrilling. Yeah, I forgot to vlog this whole thing, but anyway, we're in Seoul now, yay! And we're gonna go get bagels at my favorite bagel place I never shut up about. Bagels. Yay, bagels. When you're in Shincheon, or Iwa, go to Mother-in-Law Bagels. It's good.
Did you take a shot of this?
Here, wait, let me take a better shot. So good. Very authentic American bagel. Their cream cheese is not sweet. It tastes like cream cheese.
Not
Like normal cream cheese, not like it has sugar granules in it. But I got a bacon, egg and cheese on a garlic bagel. And yeah. At this rate, that's just the only thing I order from there. But it's delicious. Are you gonna get coffee? Yeah. And then we're gonna go to this coffee place called Nothing But Coffee that we randomly discovered. That's cheap and has huge sizes. They also roast beans, so if you want to be like a fancy person that likes coffee or whatever. Because who actually likes coffee, bro? You just drink it, But anyway. Yay! This is the coffee stand. It's very tiny. Nothing but coffee. It's very cute. Hello, I'm back at Isabel's room with my free Americano. And what is this called? My bagel! Oh, let me wash my hands. Wash your hands, kids. It's Corona. Anyway, okay. We're in Isabel's room. I have my Americano. Slurp slurp, tastes like dirt. And a bagel sandwich, which I will eat. Mukbang Kuishi Queen.
A nice shot of my ONF fan kit behind you.
Stan ONF. It's right here. Stan ONF. On, if you will. 사랑하게 될 거야. Anyway, bagel sandwich. She tasty. I realized that it looks so small. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like garlic. Bagel.
Sometimes placing pathways makes me want to die.
Woohoo! Isabel's playing Animal Crossing.
I'm always playing Animal Crossing.
Mm-hmm. Always
Tasty. Big fan. Okay, mukbang over. Bye bye.
Hello. We're in Karasuge, Apgujeong area. I'm gonna grab a coffee and then we're gonna go to actual Karasuge. Cause we like to be bougie, you know? Except for I'm like, oh, $2 coffee? Me thinks yes. So we're now actually going to coffee machine company. Anyway, sorry, we're going to Karasuge. I'll probably just get Starbucks. Yeah, don't we love Karasuge, don't we?
Yes, there's always a lot of people though. Like,
Yeah.
so many people. The sidewalk is so small, and there's so many people. But other than that,
Yeah, it's just like a nice area to walk around, see, pretend to be bougie,
yeah.
etc. Yeah.
The only brand that I wear.
Peace. Okay, Fila. For. And then what else? We got some H&M at
Oh,
Coex.
it's the comic book place.
What does that mean?
This is like the lizard or whatever. It's like a. It's
Uh-huh.
like webtoon.
Hold on.
It's like a online anime or manga
Oh.
service that you can buy. So I guess you can actually buy the physical copy of it. That's cool.
Oh but yeah, we got some H&M because we were at Coex for a little bit.
And then Sarah went to Pogensa.
Yeah, Sarah and Hando went to Pogensa because this is Hando's first time in Seoul, so you know, we gotta give him the whole rundown.
This is his first time still.
Yeah. You gotta give him the whole rundown of everything in Seoul, the entire city in one weekend. Let's go. There's Starbucks. Litigation. Okay, we're at Starbucks. Here's the special pouch they have for Lunar New Year because it's the year of the ox. And there's a teapot. You know, did you see these? I don't understand what the point is. These like Starbucks buddies are like the little Lego figures. They have the spring collection, which is like bee and yellow themed. They also have the Valentine's Day collection. I love this mug. And they have these cute angel-y ones. I don't know what it's for. But it's cute. It says, "Won't you be my Valentine?" They have some pins and a pouch. And they have the usual cups. See, those are the Seoul location ones, which are personally super cute. You get a Perrier one. Love me a spicy water. Yeah, so welcome to Starbucks, the end. Anyway, what's up? We're in Karasuge. And there's an ordinary store, the Decium. So, we got, what did, oh, I was just talking about what we got. Haul time. I got a refill because I'm running out of lactic acid, 10%. I don't know what everybody else got.
I got a lunch.
Elise got her entire skincare routine again.
I did. Oh, I got moisturizer.
Natural moisturizing factors plus HA.
Yes, I use it under my makeup and before I go to bed. And then I got the cleanser.
Squalene.
Squalene cleanser. And then I got drippy droppy
Hyaluronic acid.
Yep, can't read.
She never knows it. She's always like, you know, the drippy droppy thing.
The thing that drops out of the bottle with the sploosh sploosh. And then, oh, I got the caffeine thing for under eyes.
I really love it. It really
yeah.
works really well for deep
I haven't
puffing.
used it
Okay,
yet, but
I promise.
it helps with the dark circles.
I promise my eyes are usually puffier than this, and okay, so it works, you know. Anyway, we don't have plans. We're just walking on Karasuge, which is a lovely neighborhood. Like to pretend we're rich. The end. That's it. Here's Hondo. Oh, how has you? Okay, please review your first time in Seoul.
Damn. 10 out of 10.
Review Seoul.
I'm so happy to be outside of Icheong. I get to see what the city's like.
Oh, which way we? 여보세요? Ooh, there's something. What are all these people in line for? Hello? Okay, you take a TikTok. Let me see what these people are in line for. Because I'm nosy. Wait, are they going out? Oh. Why are we here?
We're standing in line. Everyone's standing in line.
It's a souffle restaurant. No, we're not standing in line. Keep moving. Why don't we stand in line for a souffle though? Oh, it's croissants. Or it's like a boulangerie. I don't know. Why are we whispering? Hello. Where are we, Elise?
Over by Apgujeong.
Apgujeong, Hanam, wherever area. Hangang, somewhere. We're gonna go for a walk. Because everything's closed because of Solar.
Oh, I think this is called the Hanam Aishi.
Ah, yeah. This is Hanam Aishi. This bridge. No went to the bathroom, so we're waiting for him. Alright, yeah. It's kind of a nice day. It's getting a little chillier. The air quality is terrible. Earlier we were outside of my face, just like exploded.
Exploding.
That was fun. Okay. Oh, here's our. Whoa, Jesus.
Sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, bye.
There was a woman who.
Hello, we're walking. Everyone has lost their minds because of the sunset. And everyone has left. Oh, you can't even see it on here. Anyway, the sun's over there. It's setting, and literally every single person on this trail has stopped to take a picture.
I did it while walking.
So, yeah. The pollution is bad today, so, you know, it looks hazy, but know that it's all pollution. I just want to say, there's straight up a man on the Hangang, like, walking trail right now that is walking 2 meerkats.
I'm only walking one of them.
Okay, the other one's in the back. Okay, there are
The other
2,
one's smart.
but there are 2 meerkats. I have so many questions.
How?
Yeah, like it just.
Hello. Oui. Oh, she's adjusting. Okay. Hello. Elise and I came to this place called, what is it? Create Cookies?
Yes.
I show you.
So I was watching that lady going. The door is indeed open.
It's cute. It's pink. They got cookies and coffee, I'm assuming.
Cookies. Yeah, they have one. Go cookies.
Ooh, oh, that's not a step. Okay, let's go. So this is super cute. Hello, Elise. What did we get?
You got an Americano and a double chocolate cookie, and I got a vanilla latte and a regular chocolate chip cookie.
Yeah, and the cafe is super cute. I'm trying not to film anyone else, but it's really cute. Okay, bye.